What are you doing standing up there, Dave? Now, let me ask you, what's on your mind besides that toupee? Is it... Now, I've been wanting to ask you that. Is that, no, come on, people ask me that all the time. Is that your real hair?
It's absolutely real.
That's your real hair? I've seen better hair on coconuts than that, Dave. That's real.
Look, let me talk.
Hey, let me ask you, Dirty White. He said that's his real hair. Do you believe it? Come on.
No, come on, Dave, tell it. Does that come out of a bottle?
Listen, do you want to talk about the match coming up or not here, huh?
Yeah, I'll talk about the match. You know, we got a match coming up Monday night, Chris Champion. And the only way that you would sign this match, boy, was if I put the stipulations up that if you beat me, that you would get the Dirty White Girl.
That's right. Yeah, that's right.
I ain't through, baby.
What?
I ain't through.
Wait a minute. What do you mean he gets the Dirty White Girl?
He gets the dirty. If he beats me, he gets the Dirty White Girl.
To, like, take with him, home with him?
Take her right out the building with him.
Hold it, man. Wait a minute. You did not. No. Wait a minute.
I got this.
Let me look. Do you realize what she would be worth after she had been with that disease-infested, flea-ridden?
Not much.
She'd be worth absolutely nothing.
But see, I put a lot of thought into this, King. I put a whole lot of thought in it. Chris Champion, take a real good look, baby. Now, if I beat you, you get you a big U-Haul, baby, and you hightail it right out of Memphis, Tennessee, never to be seen again. Because I'm sick and tired of you, Champion. Now, I don't care if you kick me in the face. I don't care if you stomp me in the ribs. If you give me a kidney punch, it don't matter to me. But I'll be damned, boy, if I'm going to sit right there and let you walk out of Memphis Coliseum with my old lady. There ain't a chance of that happening, boy. So you get ready. You get everything in your power if you've got enough intestinal fortitude to show up, because you see, Champion, I may come walking straight down that aisle. But then, baby, I'm liable to be way up there in the upper deck. Or I'm liable to be, as far as you're concerned, I'm liable to be sitting right next to you in the dressing room, dressing, and you're so stupid you wouldn't know it. But come Monday night, I guarantee you, Champion, you're going down, you're going to pack your bags, and all these little sugar britches of yours is going to be out of town. Because, Champion, like I said before, son, I'm sick and tired of you. It's time to pay your dues, and you got to pay them to me, baby. I'll see you Monday night in Memphis.
Monday night at the Coliseum. Stipulations are in effect there. If Chris Champion wins, he gets to leave the Coliseum with Dirty White Girl. If Chris Champion loses, he has to leave town.